Which is the highest peak of the Aravalli mountain range? 1. Saltoro Kangari, 2. Chaukhamba, 3. Kamet, 4. Guru Shikhar. Correct answer 4. Guru Shikhar. Who among the following is one of the members of the Pakistan National Movement who had coined the name Pakistan in 1933? 1. Chaudhry Rahmat, 2. Muhammad Umar, 3. Maulana Azad, 4. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Correct answer 1. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. On which of the following dates is the Global Hand Washing Day observed? 1. 4 March, 2. 6 December, 3. 24 June, 4. 15 October. Correct answer 4. 15 October. In which of the following cities has the memorial dedicated to the Second World War been built by Japan? 1. Dispur, 2. Imphal, 3. Agartala, 4. Gangtok. Correct answer 2. Imphal. Which of the following states has an underground bunker museum in the official residence of its governor? 1. Karnataka, 2. Tamil Nadu, 3. Maharashtra, 4. Gujarat. Correct answer 3. Maharashtra. Grafting and _ are horticulture techniques used to join parts from 2 or more plants, so they appear to grow as a single plant. 1. Layering, 2. Cutting, 3. Budding, 4. Fusion. Correct answer 3. Budding. Alum is made by dissolving bauxite in 1. Phosphoric acid, 2. Citric acid, 3. Boric acid, 4. Sulfuric acid. Correct answer 4. Sulfuric acid. Theyyam is the ritual art form of which of the following states? 1. Tamil Nadu, 2. Kerala, 3. Karnataka, 4. Goa. Correct answer 2. Kerala. Through which of the following states does the Chambal River, a tributary of Yamuna River, not pass? 1. Rajasthan, 2. Madhya Pradesh, 3. Uttar Pradesh, 4. Gujarat. Correct answer 4. Gujarat.
Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution gives centre the power to take over a state administration on the recommendation of the governor? 1. Article 243, 2. Article 356, 3. Article 124, 4. Article 105. Correct answer 2. Article 356. Which of the following terms best describes a scenario in which an economy faces both inflation and decline in real output at the same time? 1. Recession, 2. Reflation, 3. Deflation, 4. Stagflation. Correct answer 4. Stagflation. Which of the following is not a Mendelian disorder? 1. Turner syndrome, 2. Hemophilia, 3. Phenylketonuria, 4. Sickle cell anemia. Correct answer 1. Turner syndrome. The Union government has given in principle approval for setting up a major port at a place called Vadhavan. The place is located in 1. Gujarat, 2. Maharashtra, 3. Andhra Pradesh, 4. Odisha. Correct answer 2. Maharashtra. Which of the following states is the second most populous state in India as per census 2011? 1. Maharashtra, 2. Madhya Pradesh, 3. West Bengal, 4. Rajasthan. Correct answer 1. Maharashtra. Jijia dance is a popular folk dance of which of the following states? 1. Bihar, 2. Uttar Pradesh, 3. Madhya Pradesh, 4. Haryana. Correct answer 1. Bihar. Which of the following devices is used in digital circuits so that information stored in large computer memories is not lost during a momentary electric power failure? एक थर्मिस्टर, दो डायोड, तीन ट्रांसमीटर, चार कैपेसिटर। करेक्ट आंसर चार कैपेसिटर। Which of the following is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubings which deliver water directly at the base of the plant? एक स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन, दो ड्रिप इरिगेशन, तीन स्टेप फार्मिंग, चार सब इरिगेशन। करेक्ट आंसर दो ड्रिप इरिगेशन। Through which of the following constitution amendments did the right to property cease to exist as a fundamental right? एक 42 ND, दो 45 H, तीन 43 RD, चार 44 H। करेक्ट आंसर चार 44 H। Who among the following Governor-Generals of India formulated the doctrine of lapse to deal with the issue of succession in India states during colonial rule? एक जॉन शोर, दो लॉर्ड डलहौसिए, तीन सर जॉन मैकफरसन, चार लॉर्ड कैनिंग। करेक्ट आंसर दो लॉर्ड डलहौसिए। In which of the following years did Jahangir die? एक 1675, दो 1627, तीन 1559, चार 1557। करेक्ट आंसर दो 1627। Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India declares the age of 35 years as one of the eligibility criteria for the post of the President of India? एक आर्टिकल 60, दो आर्टिकल 62, तीन आर्टिकल 56, चार आर्टिकल 58। करेक्ट आंसर चार आर्टिकल 58। The book titled Speaking Truth to Power, My Alternative View is a collection of the articles by एक यशवंत सिन्हा, दो पी चिदम्बरम, तीन अरुण शौरी, चार मणिशंकर अय्यर। करेक्ट आंसर दो पी चिदम्बरम। Which of the following gases is filled into incandescent bulbs to prolong the life of the filament? एक ओजोन, दो नाइट्रोजन, तीन ऑक्सीजन, चार कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। करेक्ट आंसर दो नाइट्रोजन। Which of the following rivers has been mentioned as Vitasta in Vedic literature? एक चेनाब, दो बीस, तीन झेलम, चार रवि। करेक्ट आंसर तीन झेलम। India's oldest and largest independent, non-profit economic policy research institute, NCA, National Council of Applied Economic Research, was established in which of the following years? एक 1965, दो 1952, तीन 1959, चार 1956। करेक्ट आंसर चार 1956। Which of the following is the correct description of the place called Naubat Khana during the Mughal period? एक drum house, दो house for private discussions, three office of the security in charge of the palace, four private treasury of royal women। Comment answer।